Welcome to Tectonic Nights channel. Here's day 7 of solving easy LeetCode problems in Python. Today's problem is, given two sorted integer arrays in ascending order, our task is to find and return the smallest integer that is common to both arrays. To solve this, we can iterate through both arrays simultaneously using their sorted order to quickly find the smallest common element. Let's walk through some examples. We begin by initializing two pointers, I at the 0th index of the first array and j at the 0th index of the second array. We then compare the elements at the current positions of both the pointers. If nums1 of I is smaller than nums2 of j, we increment the I pointer. Once we find a match, we return that value as the minimum common value. In this example, the element at nums2 of j is smaller than the element at nums1 of I. Here we increment the j pointer instead of I. If nums2 of j is smaller than nums1 of I, we continue to increment j pointer and return the value once we find a match. In this scenario, there are no common elements between two arrays. We keep incrementing the I pointer through the first array as nums1 of I is smaller than nums2 of j. Once I reaches the end of the array and no match is found, we return -1 to indicate there is no common integer. Now let's dive into the coding section. We begin by initializing the I and j pointers to 0. The while loop runs as long as both pointers are within the bounds of their respective arrays. That is, until either I or j exceeds the array lengths. Inside the loop, if we find a match between the values, we return that value as the minimum common element. If there is no match, we compare the values at the pointers and increment either I or j to move forward in the array with the smaller value. If the loop finishes without finding a match, we return -1. The time complexity here is O of m plus n, where m and n are the sizes of the two arrays. This is because we only need to go through both the arrays once, incrementing the pointers as we compare the elements, resulting in m plus n steps. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more videos in this series. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.